Metal detector from GoGonova just came in and I'm checking out all the supplies. Really impressed so far. Love that I can keep it all in a vinyl bag with a strap. It's about 24 by 16 inches. Been playing around with the main unit before I take it inside. It's got a long hold on. It does have 3 levels of sensing that are pretty easy to rotate between. Level 1, 2, or 3. And it has the depth monitor as well, 2 inches between 2 and 4 or more than 4 inches. And you can kind of rotate between the different types of materials that it finds. It does recommend that you get out nails, rings, and other things to help set the machine. You can turn the light on or off if you like. The batteries are here. They are 2 9-volt batteries that did come included. Really easy to set up. Here is your earpiece or headphone attachment. It does look like it's well made and adjustable, and it does have volume controls. You can see that up and down on the attachment as well. As far as the actual disc metal detector, it's 10 by 8. It is pretty solid feeling, maybe has like a rubberized texture. It is nice and flat on the bottom, and you do have to do these outside because it will interfere inside, but really excited to take this out. Also have all the flexibility with the arm pieces. It looks like this thing is going to come together in about 30 seconds. And all of this is well made. It is a metal construction with rubberized texture on it. Looks like there's just really easy to adjust the length and things of that nature. And it does come with this very convenient spade that is collapsible, so you can carry it on any belt loop in this vinyl bag. And then when you get to the point where you want to begin to dig, it's just a really quick assembly. Then you can fold it back down and continue onwards. It does have things like bottle openers, serrated edges. It is a nice construction. I think this is just a great asset. So when you find something, you should be able to find it. As far as some of the details go, do love that it provides plenty of help to reach out, as well as the warranty. Make sure you don't use it indoors because it can interfere with things that you do have. And it does give tips on how to set the various types. So you have targeted information. The first setting is for things like iron. That's your nails and things of that nature, some rings. The second one is your low ferrous. That can be small jewelry and rings. The third is the non-ferrous, and that includes like nickels, larger rings, large jewelry. And the fourth is non-ferrous high conductor, and that's going to be like your coins. So you can set the various options there and know what you're looking at, which I do appreciate. It does have the targeting of the depth and the sensitivity indicator, as well as the battery indicator as well. Pretty easy to use. Love that it's all touchscreen. Overall, I would say from a quality perspective, it looks like it's really well made, and can't wait to take this thing outside and give it a shot. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.